What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to DK roll. Let's get into it. So the DK roll, or drop knee roll, is a combination of a drop knee 360 into a sideways roll. Once you finish that final rotation outside of that roll, you can then bring your knee back up into that drop knee stance. Now, if carving in drop knee is something that you don't know how to do or even still have trouble with, I would definitely check out my previous tutorials in the top right corner of this video. Now, here's my personal drop knee stance for the DK roll. Now, just like any other drop knee stance, essentially you want to act as if you are proposing on one knee. I personally feel most comfortable when I ride with my left knee up while my right leg is lying completely down flat. And for a couple of you, if it's not too uncomfortable, for the leg that's laying down, sometimes I even sit on my ankle so I'm not wasting too much energy trying to sit myself up. Now, part one of the DK roll is that first initial carve across the wave. When you're ready to begin the trick, you want to stop your momentum by putting your hand into the water. That will start your initial drop knee 360, and when you're about 70 to 80% through the rotation, you want to immediately drop your outer shoulder immediately downwards towards the flow surface into the water. So essentially, when you're coming out of that roll, you're going to land in double knee, and all you got to do is pop that knee back up into that drop knee stance and ride away. Now, believe it or not, there actually is a progression version of the DK roll, and that's when you do the trick version of the DK roll off of double knee. Now, don't get this confused. There is a difference between the progression versus the actual trick. I've definitely seen a lot of riders make the mistake of learning the progression and then officially announcing that they know how to do the DK roll. So it's definitely important to understand that this progression is no other than to help you understand the idea of what the trick is going to feel like. And just for a little bit of an extra tip and piece of advice, I've seen a lot of people, including myself, just for a little bit of extra air off your roll or flip, drop that knee down into double knee to help give you that extra boost in the air. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.